All right, so this time we're multiplying by a number less than 1. When we multiply by a number less than 1, my quotient gets smaller than what I start with. So, Keaton, 1 times 2,457.
2,400.
Where is the decimal point in the number 2,457, Keaton? What number's in the ones place, Keaton?
Oh,
The 7. Decimal point's always behind the ones place. If you don't see it, it's there. It's just like invisible and like stuff and like you can't see it. And again, all right. So Serena, 2,457 times 1/10.
245.7.
Each one of these place values got 10 times smaller. Instead of the thousands, it's now in the hundreds. Instead of the hundreds, it's now in the tens. Instead of the tens, it's now in the ones. They're getting 10 times smaller when we're multiplying by 1/10. Tommy?
24 and 57.
Hundredths, good. And Nadia?
2 and 457.
Thousandths. Good. 2 and 457 thousandths. Now we see these numbers here. This is the same. So this problem here is just like 2,457 divided by 1. This here is like 2,457 divided by 10. This here is like 2,457 divided by 100. This here is like 2,457 divided by 1,000. Multiplying by 1/10 is the same as dividing by 10. Multiplying by 1/100th is the same as dividing by 1/100th. Multiplying by 1,000th is the same as dividing by 1,000. So you can see it written the different ways. As you move up in math, you're going to see more of this and less of that. More of this and less of that. This, that, and the other. Questions? Awesome. Serena?
So divided by, so what if 1/10 divided by 2,457 divided by 1/10 is the same as 2,457 times 10?
Times 1/10. Oh, it's got to be the opposite. So if you're dividing by 10, would be the same as multiplying by 10. Is that right? Yeah. A tenth. Yeah, a tenth. I knew I had something wrong and I couldn't figure out what it was. All right, so now let's practice this.